Good morning everyone. So after leaving Bursa, we are now here going to Soch to waterfall. This is the entrance of Soch to waterfall. Bursa's Soch to waterfall is in the middle of a natural paradise. If you are planning to visit this place, it is just 17 kilometers away from the Mustafa Kemal district. This is a good place for picnicking, and then if you're a photographer and nature lover, you can also visit this place and you will enjoy it. Sochto Waterfall is a natural paradise surrounded by oak and pine trees. Sochto is a fascinating resort area to visit during the weekends, especially for those from Istanbul and Balıkesir. This is the way going down to the waterfall, and naririnig ko na yung water. I can hear the water. The water falling is 38 meters and it's very pleasant. This waterfall, which is a hidden paradise with different beauty in every season, is not known well enough. The waterfall is about 30-meter width in winter season, which may reach to 50-meter by reason of flood. I recommend this Sochto waterfall as an afternoon getaway from the city on a hot summer day. By the afternoon, especially on the weekends, the park gets fairly crowded. And this waterfall, before you enter, you will pay 10 lira in the gate area. Yes, it's just 10 lira. Entrance fee if you have a car. from here is the Uchto waterfall. This waterfall is really high. It is 36 meters high waterfall, and we will show you the drone video later.